Good day, students. Our civic education lesson this day will continue from where we stopped in the previous lesson, that is responsible parenthood. In the previous lesson, we looked at the benefits of responsible parenthood. Today, we are progressing to look at factors that work against responsible parenthood. What are the factors that prevent parents from performing their duties satisfactorily as parents? What are those factors that make it hard for parents to satisfy the responsibilities that are placed upon them as parents? The first factor is parents' careers and busy schedules. Many parents are busy with their job, with their business, so that they don't give attention to their children. That is one reason why many parents fail to give good training, to give attention to the children that are under their care. The second is drug abuse by parents. A good number of parents abuse drugs even in the presence of their children. They take drugs, all kinds of hard drugs. They take alcohol. They even give alcoholic drinks and drug to their children. The effect of that is that the children will be learning bad examples from their parents. It is a bad influence of parents on children to involve them in drugs or indulge them in drugs, indulge them with alcohol when they are still young. And that is very bad of those parents that do that. The next is divorce and separation. Divorce and separation. Divorce and separation. When parents get divorced, it becomes a problem for the children to cope with just a single parent. Yes, there is a role played by each of the parents. So if one of them now takes the children to his care or to her care, the roles of the other parent will be lost. And that parent with them cannot give them all that they need or deserve as young growing children. That is a problem of responsible parenthood. Next is poverty of parents. Poverty. Some parents have so many children and they don't have the resources to give them proper care. When such parents, with such parents now, they begin to send their children to all kinds of places to go and serve as, houseboys, house girls, so that such people can help to train them in school or help to train them in vocational skills. Those children that are sent out in that way suffer a lot because those people that are given that they have been asked to go to their homes do not give them the kind of care that parents would have given. That is a big failure on the part of parents, to give out their children to others to take care of them. They don't care at all. Parents bad examples. Parents bad examples. Some parents give bad examples to their children. We talked earlier about parents taking alcohols and drugs in the presence of their children. Sometimes you see parents fighting in the presence of their children. Sometimes you see parents exchanging words in the presence of their children. Sometimes you see parents who tell lies, very clear and open lies in the presence of their children. Those are bad examples. Parents that steal and their children know that they are thieves. Such parents are not giving a good example to to their children. And such children will grow with such bad examples and carry it on in their life. That is very bad. Then religious affiliations and beliefs also reduce the extent to which parents perform their duties. Some religions or religious activities that some parents get involved in separate the family. There are families that do not understand what going to church means, or that do not understand what religion is about, so they allow religion. All the members of the family are in different churches or in different religions, and they now use it against one another. In such homes, parents have not played their roles properly, and such religious beliefs now will separate the family, and the family can no longer act as one. Bad influence from the society, from the mass media. Bad influence from peers, peer influence. That is another factor that is injurious to responsible parenthood. When parents have taught their children well, but the mass media comes to teach a different thing, or to show pictures or videos or things that do not agree with what the parents have taught, it becomes a problem for responsible parenthood. Finally, we have child exploitation and child labor. Child exploitation, people that engage in child trafficking. Such people do not give good parentage. They don't give they don't play the duties, the roles of parents as they are supposed to play them. Child exploitation and child labor. Some parents even bring in children of other parents and exploit them right in the presence of their own children. That is a bad example, and that is a bad way of showing responsible parenthood. Are we together? All right. Having said this, we are going to take an assignment. Let's go back to our previous lessons or textbooks and find out, number one, what is responsible parenthood? What is responsible parenthood? Number two, write 5 rules of responsible parenthood. Number 3, discuss 5 benefits of responsible parenthood. And finally, number 4, discuss 5 factors that work against responsible parenthood. 5 factors that work against responsible parenthood. When we are done with this assignment, we can say that we are done with this topic, so that in the next lesson, we shall be looking forward to another topic. Stay safe and stay well. God bless you.